watching go live again. Let's see if it actually goes live this time. What's up, Gianni? Little quiet boy. Where's this here to trade? Okay, bet to green flip here. Pretty nice. Alright, I'm just gonna have this marked out for now. Just in case if we pump up, we have an idea. Yeah, the only inverse we have to work with is this one here. So we're gonna have to take at 880. Which looks like we're pumping up into right now. Yeah, I mean, first PT is gonna be there. I guess we could target this here, full PT. So this would be first PT at 917. Honestly, guys, with this price action, we might have to do a bigger stop loss. So I would say maybe size down, so we could do a bigger stop loss. Look at these pullbacks that we're having. So I'm gonna do a 50-point stop loss. So just make sure you guys size down. We just got a red to green flip, guys, so get ready. Let me check yes, actually, I haven't looked at yes. Alright. Alright. Yes isn't in the gap yet, so. Yeah, a lot of buying, guys, get ready. Alright. We just inverse, guys. I'm not in yet. Alright. I'm in longs, guys. Oh. Too far. 880, that's 75. 917. Oh, I forgot my stream. Sorry, guys. On my YouTube. Okay, I think I actually went live now on YouTube finally. Beautiful push, guys, that we just got. If you guys want to take trims, you could take trims. I'm gonna look to wait a little higher. Alright, I'm gonna take trims, and now I'm taking 2 off. It's a nice push we just had. I'm doing my stop loss just a little higher. I'm gonna trail here. Yeah, that's off 50 points, guys, so I'm gonna look to target like, yeah. Okay. Nice, beautiful red to green. Yeah, we had that pullback because we just entered the fair value gap. But we should be able to see higher with these buyers being so aggressive. I'm gonna see to take 2 more off my 3 contracts I have left at like 40, around the 40s mark. It's an amazing push we're having here. Come on, just a little more. How do I trade on one and take off my group? You have to go to manage group and then just take the PA out or whatever PA you want to take off. If you're not gonna trade group, just trade it individually since you only have 2 accounts. You made 300. Nice, bro. I really want to see 940 here, bro. Take some off. We're getting a nice push here. Come on. See that 940. Come on, buyers. Let me check yes. Alright, yes is kind of like middle of this for value gap here. Alright, I just took 2 more off. Holding my last runner. I just moved my stop loss up for my last runner to 841 to this low right here. But I definitely want to hold this for like, I'd say like 100 points is pretty chill. So 981, I'll hold it for. And I'll put it to break even once we reach like the midpoint of the fair value gap. All I'm doing is risking profits here, guys. So I'm already in profit today. Nice, Gianni. Let's go, guys. You guys made money today. Let's go, guys. Bro, bro, my friend. Yo, Twiki, Chris just texted me on the alert, accidentally put that I have a 400 point stop loss. Oopsie. me check ES here. ES is also still in the midpoint. Let's see. We have news at 10 also, so once we reach like I said like 960, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Actually, I'm gonna move it. I'm moving down to this low right here. Ooh, oh my, yo, that push is crazy nice. All right, I'm definitely gonna go break even off that push right there. All right, let's go, guys. See the full PT. $981 is my PT. Look, it might move it. I'm thinking that maybe moving my stop loss to here. But I kind of want to wait for this candle to close before I like move it up. Oh, that's if I don't get stopped out at break even here. Let's see. And boom. Alright, break even. Alright. Not gonna complain. Let's go, guys. Get our money for the day. Can't complain. Thank God we did that 50-point stop loss, bro, because we would have gone stopped out on that pullback here. So I told you guys to size light, because, you know, today, well, this week, after, oh, not even this week, it was just mainly yesterday, but, you know, Asia session, we were doing crazy volume, so, yeah, just, it was honestly kind of obvious we're going to have crazy pullbacks again this, today. We bounced right off the midpoint. Waiting for this candle to close on the 15-minute or the second inversion. You're gonna take a trade after news? How much points did this trade see? It's not 79 points. That's pretty good. just gonna put 80. It's literally almost 80 points. Trade saw 80 points. Oh my gosh, wait, I forgot to do the thing where I have to reply. Alright guys, let's go. Can't complain. Pretty good trade. Let me check my YouTube if okay, yeah, we're live, thank God. Never count on y'all, always count on God. So what's up? We're all green today, guys. Let's go. Waiting for this camera closing. Yeah, I actually wanna stay on and see what's gonna happen now, when news comes out. So. I'm honestly surprised we didn't just keep bumping up. I really thought we were gonna like honestly take all of these highs. So we've just been dumping. We've made so many levels. I would have made like 600 bucks off that trade if my last runner would have hit. It's all good. I'll take it, especially with this friggin' market. Can't complain, can't complain. That was literally an A+ setup though. I didn't even notice we took out this low. I thought we only took out the London though. I guess we had a freaking crazy spike. It happened so fast I didn't even see it. What the hell? But yeah. Okay. News didn't really do that much. Came out bearish. Oh, okay. Well, that might wait. Eh. That could be a way more bearish reaction. As soon as I say that, start selling off. Twinkie, you still looking for another trade to take? I mean, if you're gonna take a trade, bro. Thing is, with this fair value gap, there's a really big liquidity here. There's a 4-hour low, and it's a 4-hour and a 1-hour low right here. So it could deal well speed from this, but if we have enough selling pressure, we should just be able to just short this. I'm definitely not gonna take anything else. You know, I'm done for the day. But you know, this could be a potential trade right here if we just continue to sell off, which it looks like we might. Yeah, ES also never even inversed the gap. ES bounced off the top point of the gap, which is pretty crazy. So this trade didn't work out because I guess we bounced off the midpoint of this fair value gap on NQ, and then on ES we also we rejected right off the top of this fair value gap. So makes sense why it didn't play out. But you know, I know what I was risking. I was just risking profits. So at least I didn't lose any money with that last runner. News doesn't happen instantly. I mean, yeah, but I was expecting a way more, like a bigger reaction than this. I mean, yeah, it's 150 points, but I don't know, I'm just so used to what the fucking volume we've been having. I thought we'd just like sell off. Alright. Yeah, I mean, if you really did want to take a setup, Twinkie, it would honestly be best to probably wait for these shorts. Unless we get a fair value gap rejection, like off this fair value gap we're making here, could also take that. Liquidity at 611. 611? What? No liquidity here? What are you talking about? 609, man. And 534 for inverse. No, inverse for shorts is at 516. 516.25. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, did you guys do the 50-point stop loss too? Gianni and Twinkie? I put a 50-point stop. Well, how many contracts, Twinkie? You did 5 too? I had the same pretty much. That's good, that's good. Yeah, because if you guys didn't do the 50-point stop loss, you would have gone stopped out on that trade when it did that pullback. So thank God you guys listened. I matched Davey. Well, he is doing a big stop loss too. I mean, I feel like anyone looking at this market, you know, you should have a way bigger stop loss. It's just like 35 points that will not survive. You guys had the exact same thing for the last 20 minutes. I mean, we do use the same strategy. I mean, it makes sense. I did learn from bro, so. Oh, we said the exact same thing? Yo. For 20 minutes. That's funny. Bro. Yeah, Twinkie. I mean, maybe, but that's the thing, because, like, look, like, let's say we go back up, we're going to be holding above this liquidity. So, like, you'd have to wait for it to go under this gap. So our bias is bearish, which then you're going to need, like, a 60-point stop loss, bro. Like, that's, well, that depends how deep we go in the fair value gap. So if you want a fair value gap retracement, you're going to have to, like, size super light and then just hold, I guess. That's even if we go back up and retrace into the fair value gap. If we just keep selling off, I mean, you obviously have this inverse, which I'd recommend to do a big stop loss still, because, you know, volume today is a little crazy. I mean, it's not a big, or not a bad PT either. I mean, like, let's say you do 5 contracts, it's 65, let's say 60 points, you know, that's $600 right there. So it's not bad. You'll be risking 500 to make 600. That's if you take another trade. I mean, we still have pretty good volume. We've been selling off ever since this rejection. Friggin' how many points? 305 points. Coño. Yo. Woo. We're selling. We're selling. I mean, it depends if you want to take a rejection trade. It's possible if we do reject back into the gap, like it would look like this. So we go down like we are right now, then we bounce into this gap, and then we just go lower. You know? It's either this or we just dump down. Again, I'm sure my YouTube is good. Okay, yeah, my YouTube's chilling. Alright. That's what we do off this candle close. I mean, rejections seem like they're working pretty good too. I mean, dude, look at this. Since we rejected from this, fucking 300 points. It's actually insane. So let's see what this next candle does. If you do have to do a 60-point stop loss, Twinkie, you know, size to your own according. My gosh. Let me look at ES here. Actually, I haven't checked ES. Oh, I guess we're just gonna sell. I really thought when I saw green we were gonna push up a little bit, at least tap into here and then go down. But Marcus said, hell no. We might get a sweep. I mean, yeah, that'd be your biggest concern. I mean, by the time we inverse and, like, let's say you enter, it'd be like 24 points. You just gotta see how the reaction is once we take this out, you know? It's the most important thing. And we're about to take a liquidity now at 609. So, and 609 is a big liquidity here. Well, these two are actually multi-time frame liquidity, so in the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Very risky. I mean, dude, you just gotta see how we react off the. We react off it. Though, what? Very risky would be hold below the DOL. Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's under the DOL, and under the liquidity. So by the time you enter, I mean, like, let's say 32.25. Like, let's say you enter entries at like 516. If you enter at like 511, it's 20 points from this. I mean, you just gotta see what our initial reaction is once we tap into it, which we just tapped into this liquidity. I believe we just stepped into it. Yeah, we did. So, it looks like we're just going down. So, we just gotta see this reaction. No, I'm saying bounce off the top for value gap, 80 points to hold below the DOL. This one? Nah, I wouldn't have been 80 points. I literally measured it. Like, if it was here, it would have been only like 60 points. Now, if you want to wait for a hold, I'd say like 70, but 80 is like a bit of an exaggeration. Yeah, look, we're holding below this liquidity too, so. Like, look how much volume we still have, bro. This is crazy. Like 116 point candles at freaking 10:15. That's why you gotta have a 50-point stop loss. Like, you cannot do 35. That shit would get destroyed, just like how we did yesterday. Entry would be at 516, 516.25. I'm just gonna have this marked out, guys. I am not entering this trade for anyone that's watching. I just want to see it play out. See if it plays out. Dang, yo, we have a big PT for this. Yeah, so Twinkie, I mean, bro, we have so much room to the downside if we do inverse this. strong level at 534. What are you talking about 534, bro? It's 532, man. Very strong, very risky. Yeah, this one's also very strong, and look, it got destroyed. You just gotta see how the reaction is, bro. I would honestly like to take this trade, but I'm already up for the day. I'm not gonna risk my profits. ES is also about to inverse a gap. Here, we flip back to red, it's gonna inverse it, so. There's only liquidities in the way, but if the selling strong enough, we should just be able to rip through them like we have been the past few days. Oh my gosh, look at this buying. Yo, oh my. Have we rejected off this gap before? No, we haven't. Woo. Wow. How big is this candle? 96 points. Yo, if that's just a pullback, bro, that's dangerous, bro. I know we tapped into the fair value gap, but damn. Is there news that came out or something? It's not normal. S&P down. I mean, if anything, these are bearish news. Not something that would make the market go up. You don't have the 15-minute marked? Yeah, I do. So, Twinkie, what I do is when it's a multi-time frame fair value gap, I normally just do the 15 and the 5-minute combined. So, this is the 5-minute combined with the 15. No, I don't have it all the way up here. Yeah, you're right. But the entry down here is for the 5-minute. That's in the 15-minute. Okay. Oh my gosh. That was a quick morning though. I can't complain. You love to see it. These are like one of the best mornings. It's just a quick trade and no, that's it. Twinkie, are you gonna take this trade? Bullish. If we want. What? So you'll take longs? I mean, bro, I don't know. On the high time frame, we're still very bearish. I mean, yeah, taking longs off this wouldn't be bad. That's if we pump up. We took out some levels of liquidity. I know, man, but I mean, if we start pumping up from here, I mean, it'd be pretty good for longs. Rejection, offer value gap, DOL sweep. $40 PT. Yeah, I feel like shorts just has a lot more room for lower. You have a way bigger PT on shorts. I mean, that's if the market continues to move. I mean, we gotta see what it does. Do we have news tomorrow? Let me see. This week we have prelim. Yeah, we have prelim tomorrow. Interesting. I can't believe they moved CPI from Wednesday to Friday. I've never seen that before. I guess maybe because it's because of the partial government shutdown. Instead of canceling it, they just moved it. February 16 is a bank holiday. National Almond Day. What? February 16 holiday. Oh, President's Day. I was like, what's on February 16? It says freaking Almond Day. Like, what? Why the hell is the market closed on Almond Day? No, it's because it's President's Day. Okay. Washington's birthday. Now, if anyone's watching on the YouTube, you know, I got the link for the Discord in the description if you guys want to join. It's completely free. The YouTube is delayed by 6 minutes, so if you want live trades, you got to join the Discord. You get live trades, trade alerts, access to all the premium channels. Yeah, so join up. Yo, Twinkie, what is this, bro? Wait, can you hear it? No, I think my mic's picking it up. Yo, how do you know, bro? You're so weird. Bro might be jinxie. Gianni, are you gonna take this trade if it does go? Are you done for the day? Did bro just react to his own message? Oh no, that's Gianni. Gianni, are you done for the day? Yeah? Alright, bet. Unless... Bro. Twinkie, we're looking, bro. What do you want us to look at? market's kind of 83 points. I was about to say it's slowing down. Cause all these damn candles are like 200 points. Bro. I was showing you guys on Tuesday, right? Yeah. What happened, Twinkie? Bro. What, are you gonna send it here, bro? Or are you sending it? That's so funny, bro. People be taking pics of you while you're trading. Bro. There's no way. Bro. Why would someone take a picture? Yo. Not that ass, bro. Six, seven. Bro. Twinkie, I know you're gonna take this, bro. And I know you're itching for another trade. I honestly want to see it just play out. I feel like it will. Oh, we're starting to go down again here, potentially. Wait for a hold like 10 points or more. Well, I'm not answering, but I'm already done for the day. Bicao the sweep. Wow. I like the way you talk, Twinkie. Fart you, bro. Bitcoin is at 67,000, guys. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, Bitcoin has dropped so much. Dude, Bitcoin is just... Bro. Oh my gosh, it took me... Huh, you're saying only 2 months ago. It actually went back up to 92 grand and then it just dropped. It went back up to 92 grand like literally not even a month ago. What? He did? Me and Davide said Bitcoin at the same time, bro. What the fuck? That's hilarious. Once Angel made this server, him and Davide become one. We're like fucking Goku and Vegeta, bro. Doing the, what's it called? That they like become one? Yeah, the transfusion. Yeah. Bro. What, do you have his stream open on like your phone or something, Twink? Yeah. Bro, that's fucking hilarious. No, I mentioned it because I just saw the notification on my phone right now that it hit 67,000. So I started talking about it. That's crazy, bro. That thing's, dude. Whoever invested at Bitcoin at like 120,000, bro, they're down like 50% right now. They're down $60,000. That's if they did one Bitcoin. If they did multiple, oof. They put like $1 million worth. They're down like 500 grand right now. It's insane, bro. Big money makes money, but you can also lose a lot of money. Oh, getting a green to red flip here, guys. Twinkie, I know you're looking at it, bro. You're looking at that sell button. It's itching at you like the Venom suit from Spider-Man. Gotta like freaking scratch that shit off you, bro. Nah, I get why you're looking for another trade though. Yeah, just make sure you do a big stop loss, bro. With like size, do not. Oh, I mean size accordingly. You know, you size to your liking. Just make sure you do a bigger stop loss. We have a really good PT. I know, bro. And like, if we keep going under this PT, like if we just keep selling and this thing does nothing, like you can even target to this Fair Valley gap. Which then, like, let's say like in some world, which could be this world, that we just go through this Fair Valley gap, it goes. There's no PT all the way until here. It's just 340 points, which I wouldn't say is impossible, but it is very unrealistic. I would say this is definitely more realistic. Six, 7, 9, dude. 6, 7 is just everywhere now, bro. Fucking 6, 7, man. Oh, we made this 15-minute for value. Sorry about the cough, guys. I'm surprised we haven't sold off yet. Kind of just chop. I wouldn't say we're chopping. I feel like the sellers are just trying to. I mean, sellers are obviously in control. Buyers keep trying to buy up, and sellers keep taking back in control. So. I mean, are we still? These are like what, 90-point candles? Yeah, 100-point candle. Like, bro. Alright. We need this candle at inverse here. Buyers keep trying to step in though. Sellers keep booking them out. This market's doing nothing. It's doing stuff, but nothing at the same time. Like, I'd honestly expect it to have more direction here. It's getting choppier. I mean, I wouldn't say it's chopping. It's just buyers keep buying, and then sellers kind of like just reject them. I'll get off charts at 11. Indecisive. Yeah. Yeah. Very indecisive. It's got to be a clear direction, bro. Like, if it wants to go up or down. I would give it to like 1040, and then I'm gonna get off. Because I mean, nothing else really to do. This market's not even really having direction either, so. Tricky, how much were you looking to size on this trade? If it was to play out. Oh, bro's not even here anymore. Oh. We're getting a lot of buying now. Just tapped into this gap. Yeah, man, I mean, this market, looks like buyers might be taking a little control here, guys. Potentially. Watch me say that and we just fucking sell off into Narnia. I wouldn't be surprised. Freaking 108 points, bro. Dude, Gianni, freaking this guy Twinkie, bro. Dude, he never canceled his subscriptions for Apex. And bro, they got his ass, bro. Dude, Twinkie, they deadass took like They took everything. Bro, Gianni, you don't even want to know, bro. Yeah, dude, Gianni, he might need to live with you, bro. Please let me book the Audi so I can at least be happy, bro. Yo, Twink, you look longs like you wanted it. I mean, kind of going up, bro. I pretend it's a RS7. Bro, Gianni has a RS7. What are you talking about? They're like, come on, Twinkie. You wanna whip his car and you don't even know what type of car he has. Damn, Johnny. Dude, your car looks crazy. That's also Gianni's car, the one that I just sent. bro sent the Revuelto and I sent the SVJ. Orange Revuelto. I would not get it in that color. It doesn't look bad, but dude, dude, I've seen that video before. Dude, why does the car just flip over like that? Twinkie, that's gonna be your new tire, bro, falling off. Dude, how does one tire cause a car to fly in the sky? Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, what the fuck? He just drove over the tire and the motherfucker went flying. Alright, but actually, I'm gonna see if the market does anything in this next candle, and if nothing, then I'm gonna get off. I'll give it one more candle, which is 10.50. $80. Yeah, if we just sell off, I'm also just gonna get off. Bro. I guess this makes sense though. Fair value gap projection. Yo, what's up, Twinkie? What's up, bro? What are you planning to do after this? It's actually a really good question. I gotta eat. Freaking starving. Fortnite. Breakfast, shower, yeah. Precisely. Precisely what I need to do. Fortnite? I mean, Fortnite would be pretty fire. Hinting at this? Gianni already knew. Bro, Gianni's ass at Fortnite, bro. I can't play with that kid. Nah, I'm playing. I'm just kidding, Gianni. You're cracked, bro. Yo, what, Gianni? Yo, alright, you guys are. Yo, Gianni. Yo, Gianni, I'm gonna ban you, bro. You gotta watch out, bro. You can't be sending that stuff in my server. Yeah, I don't think the market's really gonna do anything, guys. Well, it might sell off now, but I'm low-key just gonna get off. There's no point in really just staying on. But alright, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we trade, and same time, 9:30, as always. Anyone watching on the YouTube, make sure to join the Discord in the bio or in the description. It's completely free. Get live trading, live trading alerts, and you get access to all the premium channels also. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.